Guess what? It was my radio. Yeah. I had to reverse all the channels on my radio, including the throttle. And now I have everything works. I'll show you. Turn my radio on. Oh no. Okay. No, I'm using my computer right now. I can't show you. Because as soon as I turn on this here, all the internet in my house goes down. My wireless networks just fall like a rock. So, we're not going to go there. But, what I am going to do now is, I'm going to take these off for now because I'm not going to wait with them at the moment. What I am going to do is I'm going to go and get all the rest of this stuff all laid in here. Right? Like it's supposed to be. And, oh, I gotta cut these lines here. Plug that throttle low. Bring it separate down. This throttle. Right? I can't see anything. I put my glasses on. Damn it. Yes, that's the throttle. Okay, and I had issues with that little plug down there. It's plugged in. All these are plugged in. So, making sure that everything's plugged in properly. I know that I have power to the motor. And my ailerons work, or my, whatever you want to call them here, ailerons work in the right directions. So, I'm going to cut three sets of lines here, see? I have my servo going down too, so I've got throttle control, little, that there can go inside. Right? And I've got, man, if I make this one line, that's a big hunk of wires. Oh man, that has to be crossed, doesn't it? So took half of them and half of them, you think? Let's see, try to do the top. 4, and those 4. I should go with I'm just going to cut one bigger groove and go, probably end up setting the receiver somewhere in here. Okay, I'm just going to cut one groove first. Okay, so now I have to cut these all in, eh? Now, how do I do this? Draw a line, I guess. See, it wants to be a rough now. Let's see the head. It's about there, I think. Okay, so I've cut Now, because this is so much, oh, you guys, I want to show you something. See, this is a 9 dBi, 2.4 gigahertz antenna. But if you, where do I take it apart? Right there. Take it apart. It's just a tiny little light wire inside. This heavy plastic piece really isn't needed. So, just to know it's safe, I mean, it's not going to destroy it. But when I mount this on my plane, I will take this big plastic piece off and use just the wire that I'll mount on my transmitter here for better transmitting antenna. So, oh man, to get all those wires down to the wing, I think I'm going to have to cut a section out. I'll show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to cut the wire out, you might say. Move all this stuff over here for a minute. Okay. And I'm going to cut this line. I've marked here, but I'm avoided all of my strength areas except for the center seam there. And I'm going to cut quite deep with a new X-Acto knife. Here. See, I'll start here. Okay. I'm going to go about half the blade's depth. Okay. And oh man. And I guess on the other side, the same depth. Okay, that's the last cut for this blade. Okay. Now, I'm hoping it's not going to work. Maybe it will. To take this out in a longer piece so that I can use it as fill. This is working. Oh no. Okay, so this is the point where I need a knife. Okay. So I have a couple pieces here. I'll try and save them. Maybe I can put them on top after the wire. Okay. Now we'll replace the blade right back. Okay, so here we are back. I'm going to start down here. About the blade length. This time I have a new blade in. So let's hope for a good cut here. Right to there. Oh, on this side, about the same width. Okay, and through the center, no big deal. Now, I wonder, this new blade. Oh man. I got this one out one piece. Right? So I'll be able to cut it and maybe lay it in on top. The other one I can fix there. But, should I make enough for the wires? So, actually we got these ones set here. That goes there. This comes down here. This gets mounted on there. Okay, so let's see if this works.